talking about our New Year's Eve.
Yeah, last New Year's Eve, I went to Green Canyon with my family. I played firework at Park Pangandaran Beach. How about you guys?
I went to Monas and I met Jokowi there. I'm so proud, so crowded there because firework festival.
I just stay at home with my lovely family and had barbecue together.
Me too. I just stay with my grandpa house and I also had very so much delicious barbecue and that's so much fun.
By the way, I think there's something different with you guys, isn't it, Putri?
Yeah, that's true. Did you color in your hair?
What do you think, guys?
Is it nice?
Yeah, that's nice for you too.
You look so fresh and gorgeous.
In this new year, I want to try something new. New year, new hair.
And I'm born with black hair, so I searched in YouTube and found trend new hair color and I choose brownie hair.
By the way, what's the color of your hair now?
I choose burgundy because burgundy is the trend color hair in 2013.
Oh my god, that's interesting.
Come on, Sabrina. We should try that too.
Yeah, absolutely. What, Ma, Shell, what do you think? Can you give us some advice? What do you think color that match for us?
I don't know well about the color, but I recommended you to choose Sasha hair color product.
Yes, I agree with you because Sasha has many hair wonderful color.
Cool. Come on, Sabrina. Let's go to the salon.
Come on, Anna, Shell, let's join us.
Okay, let's try something new in this new year.